Want to talk about Zebec Network, Zbcn. We are obviously seeing over the last 24 hours a nice rip here. We did see it jump up to, triple zeros 9.8. But again, over the last day, really bullish. Last 7 days, it's been okay, right? We saw this consolidation, but still, nonetheless, over the last 7 days, we're around 11.5%. Over the last month, like most crypto, still down in the red, but really this line here, in my opinion, it hasn't dipped down too low. Kind of stayed, triple zeros 8. It hasn't gone lower than that over the last month. And it's kind of just been about time since it was going to recover like this over the last, again, 7 days, more specifically the last 24 hours, really starting to take off. We're talking about a market cap of just $74 million. 24-hour trading volume of 14 million, up 20%. But again, sub 100 million market cap. Talked about it before, talked about it numerous times. These are the type of projects and cryptos that you want to be looking at here in this downward trend in the market, as even these haven't reached all time, or they obviously have reached all time highs at one point, but these haven't reached, their max potential yet, right? The bull market hasn't come for these coins. We're talking about no Coinbase listing, no Binance listing, two huge, massive catalysts for like a project like Zebec Network that have yet to happen yet. And it's still doing very well. And, obviously a lot of people continue to talk about Zbcn also on Solana as well, which I think is bullish if you're trying to get a piece of the Solana ecosystem. Just a couple of housekeeping things that I do want to talk about quickly in this video. Zebec Network put out a tweet about 40 minutes ago from our Made in the USA spaces. Zebec integrates with Zero Hash X to power compliant crypto payroll in the US and beyond. When you connect fiat systems to blockchain systems, hyper-regulated Zero Hash has mastered the game. So I guess they have something going on here with Zero Hash, which is infrastructure for the future, the easiest way to unlock crypto and stablecoins for your customers. So again, going back to that payroll processing that Zbcn does offer and Zebec Network ecosystem does offer, which is just a extremely bullish catalyst inside the Zebec Network ecosystem. Again, I don't want to play this. I don't want to get copyrighted here on this video, but this is super bullish. Obviously, as they continue to innovate and their partnerships continue to be, obviously massive given the partnerships that they already do have. If you just talk about like the people that are invested, Briar Capital, Coinbase Ventures, Lightspeed, Republic Capital. Like if you go look at these investment firms, they're all massive and they all have huge, funds and pools of money, and again obviously have invested in a ton of major companies that before they exploded as well. But I wanted to go over a series of tweets here, and we'll put links to all these tweets in the description below. Shout out to GNUTTZ79 on Twitter, George St. Martin. Okay, sitting here watching Zbcn grow so much in the last 2 weeks with a big smile and so much conviction. The two biggest listings haven't even happened yet, Coinbase and Binance, like I mentioned. And this kind of breaks down its kind of ecosystem, relation to Ondo, relation to Stellar, Visa, MasterCard, PayBridge, PGP, and how those are kind of entities are connected to these financial institutions. Again, shout out to GNUT79, Giussef, Gussef, and then Shaunacito830 on Twitter. But he, following up to this tweet, how Zbcn has this partnership with Anthropic AI safety and research company, Zebec Network, Anthropic, and you can see here, Anthropic AI, Deloitte is on their website as far as I guess an affiliate or a partner. Deloitte, one of the biggest accounting firms in the world. So again, it all kind of ties together to this real world value, real technology, utility, infrastructure that Zbcn has and does offer, sitting at still just a 75 million market cap. And then this tweet here as well. Shout out to Everett_CryptoX on Twitter. Again, I'll put links to all of these 3 tweets in the description below. But from a tech standpoint, real-time payroll and creating physical payment cards and POS systems, cool. Collaborations, cool. Several ADP executives are a part of the, I think, advisory team over at Zebec Network. A lot of cool stuff, right? Still fairly unknown to retail, but it seems major industry players are fully aware of Zebec. Payroll Growth Partners, PGP, I think it's a part of the advisory team, or it's, hold on, where is this? I know it's a part of maybe the company. Is it on the team? Yeah, Payroll Growth Partners. Okay, so Payroll Growth Partners, as you can see here, PGP acquisition of PaidBridge school payroll services have expanded Zebrec's payroll segment and its integration with the traditional payroll systems in the U.S. Right. So PGP, if you ask AI what PGP is, it works with a wide range of companies, including ADP, Paycheck, Intuit, and Gusto. Which, honestly, these are the four. These might be the four largest human resources like technology companies in the world. They also work with companies specializing in human capital management, Paycor, Workday, Dayforce, etc. So obviously, PGP is on Zebec Network's website, and to see stuff like this, to kind of see what PGP does and how massive that is. I think you can't help but look at it and kind of be excited about it, in my opinion. We look at the price of Zbcn now, at a market cap of 7.3 billion. It's around 10 cents, 95x from here, which is an insane multiplier. In any equity market, like insane multiplier. So yeah, pretty crazy. Let me know. Drop a like, hit the subscribe button. Always have a great day.